100 high score.
Oh, hey Lulu, what you playing?
I'm playing a game. That you shoot the aliens and you get points.
Oh, I think I hear it raining at the outside.
I hate thunderstorms. It better not be a thunderstorm, right?
Oh, okay. Ah, I'm scared.
I'm gonna go under the couch.
I'm going to go in here.
Oh, I'm gonna go in here.
Oh, this is so dark. There's no light.
Yeah.
Only from this crack. Oh, we might have to sleep. Yeah. We might have to sleep here.
Okay.
Oh no, you gotta get out.
I'm gonna go under the couch.
I'm gonna stay up here.
Okay.
I might mind my own business by the thunderstorm.
It's Corona time, so I'm gonna use hand sanitizer.
Okay. Can I have some?
Sure.
Wash them paws and we gonna go. Oh, we gotta wash them more. We gotta wash them more. No, that's enough. That's enough. Ah, thank you. Let me check the weather. Let's see. Okay, it's not gonna thunderstorming no more. Okay.
I'm gonna play my toy.
Okay. Oh no, it's still thunderstorming. I don't know what to do.
I'm gonna go under here again.
I'm gonna stay on top.
I'm afraid of the dark too.
No, it's okay. I'll get you out. Are you okay?
Yeah. Let me take a bath.
Hey, you're making a mess.
Sorry.
That's too much hand sanitizer. Oh no, your eyes are burning. Your eyes are burning. Oh my gosh.
I can still see.
Okay.
You know why?
Yeah. My eyes! My eyes! My eyes!
You wanna know why?
Why?
We're just puppets.
To be continued.